Hello, Susiekins and Susie Quins. This is your WWE YouTube World Sushi Heavy Listening of our world. And you can acknowledge me as the head of the Sushi Buffet. So, this is our favorite video today, yo. Thank you for getting a lot of comments and likes and subscribe and describing this channel. Thank you. Give me up, guys. So today's channel, we got chicken and fried zucchini made by my dad and my mom. Because my mom makes zucchini and my dad actually made the chicken. So my dad guys is good and is let's go and it's not good. So I thought I was a heads up. But afterwards, let's go dive into our food today here. Alrighty. Hey the fork. Alright, first, my dad's famous chicken. And here's the knife. We do is cut this. Here we go. I have to. Here we go. Put it up beside. Chicken. Alrighty. Chicken. Sushi, yeah. This is his taste. Got good spices on the glaze. I actually there's a lemon a little bit. And chicken is so dango. I like. Wow, perfect flavor, so awesome. And then my mom says not homemade fried zucchini. I usually eat this. This is sushi, yeah. This is just not bad. My mom actually have a good zucchini with a light of breadcrumbs. Not better than Armstrong's. Dude, Armstrong's is so much better because they have full length of fries and cover and layers of fries. But because they're different here, so mom, it's good. This is good. Fried zucchini. Mom, if you actually watching this, here's a little tip. Do a long zucchini and fry it. Not baked ones, but awesome stew. Because I like that better than this, but I'm not difficult on the Daxo and the breadcrumbs, but dude, this meal is good. But mom, we got long strips and a lot of not breadcrumbs, really deep fried. 2000 something, we'll go back here. I just said saying you did it. You did the same thing to Armstrong's. But I'm not saying Armstrong's is better than my mom's cooking. But I like mom's style of it. But yeah, it's good. I got this. I wear this around 7.5. Not bad. But otherwise, that's a good meal. So that is what guys, yo. Dude. So I wasn't Wizards of Waverly Place again because I love that movie. So by the way, I'm editing my 3 things on my. I'm not saying though. You can check it out. and I was in NXT. And come back here and did a review on it. Yeah, and that's because and that's a good, and that is it because I'm signing up. So thank you for watching the videos. You can do this. You can sub a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Never miss a upload. And please, when can get post for me on this YouTube channel, this Game Season channel, and this Expenditure channel too, please. And please, share to family and friends. And please, with me. And please, follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Substack, TikTok, and Twitter. And done with that, I have 2 words for you. Sushi. Yeah.